Hello everyone, my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm really happy and excited because I'm going to share with you like a different video from what I normally do, and I'm so happy for that. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jess. So happy and excited to have you here today. If you like home decor, DIYs and projects on a budget, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. I'm in a different spot. I'm in my bedroom, and I want to share with you how I'm going to be decorating my bedroom for Christmas, and I'm really excited because I want to share with you some tips and hacks of what you can do to decorate a room on a budget, or to decorate your tree on a budget. So I'm going to be using a really inexpensive tree from Walmart. It is the first one that I have since I moved here to Florida, but it's cute, and I'm gonna try to make that $20 Christmas tree make it look like really expensive, but using inexpensive things. So I just hope that you like and that you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, this is the Christmas tree that I have. It is the one from Walmart. I think it is $20 or $22. It's pretty inexpensive. It doesn't have lights on it, so we're going to be adding some lights, and I hope I have, yeah, I think I have some lights. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna check. Anyways, I need to make these look so much better. My son helps me, and he tried to put it for me, but yeah, we need to fix that a little bit, you know. And most of the trees just have like a simple vase, so that's one of the things that I'm going to be changing. You can add maybe a skirt, a collar. I'm going to be using a basket that I just have at home. This is the basket that I'm going to be using. I get this from Dollar General, and I think it cost me only like $7 or something like that. And it's super cute, and I think it's perfect for this Christmas tree. So I'm going to be adding these here, and I have these bays from another Christmas tree. I'm just trying to change so many things and reuse and try to make them look different every single year, but using the same stuff. I hope that makes sense. But I'm going to be using this vase that has like concrete on the bottom to be able to add my Christmas tree and make these more stable. I'm going to be adding that there, and then I'm going to be adding my Christmas tree inside. Now I'm going to cover the basket with some this paper, and then I'm going to be adding this felt skirt that you can get at Dollar Tree. So basically I'm working with all of the branches of my Christmas tree, trying to like accommodate them and make my tree look a little bit more fuller. So that's something extremely important. That's a step that you cannot pass out. You need to make sure that you work with your branches so that way your Christmas tree is going to look so much better. For this tree, I'm going to be using most of the decoration that I use on the Christmas tree that I did last year for my living room. I have a video for that. It looks beautiful. I'm going to leave you that link in the description box. And we already decorate our Christmas tree in the living room. It's completely different from what I'm going to be doing in this tree. It's super beautiful, and I love it. I'm in love. So make sure that you check that link. Is going to be in the description box, and we did that video in the other channel, Jazomy home. So if you like it, you can subscribe to that other channel too. So once you watch this one, go run and watch the other one because you're going to love it. Okay, let's decorate the tree. So first I'm going to be adding the ribbon, and I'm going to be using two different ribbons that I have. I'm going to be using this one. I got it last year from Walmart. I already cut them last year, about 1.5 foot, something like that. And I'm also going to be using red, and I really love this one, and it's also from Walmart. I'm going to start adding the ribbon, and I'm going to be working with two different ones, so yeah, I'm just gonna try to make them look like in different directions. Hope that makes sense. Something that you can always keep in mind is to, when you get your ribbon for your Christmas tree, make sure that it has wire on the edges. That way you can like manipulate your ribbon and make it look like in different ways, and it's going to look so much better in your Christmas tree, so make sure of that. What I'm doing right now is just like interchanging the ribbon, adding these two different patterns that I have to make it look fuller. That way it's going to cover like so many empty spaces if you don't have too many ornaments. This is how it looks on my Christmas tree. I'm not going to be like decorating the back part of the tree because nobody's going to see that, so I'm not going to waste ribbon or ornaments or stems on that. But yeah, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to be adding these, and that is going to make the tree look a little bit more fuller, and then some berries. I have them right here to make sure that the red color is really going to pop out. With all of the stems and berries and everything, I'm going to start adding the ornaments. I'm not a big fan of ornaments like round balls or things like that. I don't know why. I prefer to make my Christmas trees with a lot of stems, ribbons and things like that, but I always add them, just a few. When I decide to add these ones, they are glass ornaments, really big, from Walmart like 3 years ago. And I'm also going to be adding these red bells. I think they are from Dollar General. Now the top part of the tree, I'm going to add these that I have. It is a star with some ribbon on the back, like a bow. I really like it, and I'm going to be adding that on the top. I'm going to stick these with a piece of jute that I add on the back. I'm going to add two of these berry stems, like here. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you like it with the berries on top or without. Okay, now that I'm done with the Christmas tree, I want to add a garland here on the top of the bed, and I'm going to be using this one. Super inexpensive. It's from Walmart, and I'm going to be adding this one. I'm going to add some lights on it too, and to be able to hang these on the bed frame, I'm going to be using these removable hooks from Dollar Tree. They are clear, and I'm just going to add them on the sides and maybe one in the middle. Okay, now that the garland is ready with the lights and is stable, I'm going to add some foliage and berries just to make it look a little bit more fuller and to make it match with the Christmas tree. So I'm going to be adding these stems here that has lamps here and some like pines. I'm going to just like add them through the garland to make it look a little bit fuller. And I'm going to be doing the same thing with the berries. On this wall, I'm going to be hanging these sign that I DIY, and I have a video for that. I'm gonna try to leave you the link in the description box, okay? Perfect! Woo! So, I decided to change this rug. I want to change it because I got a new Ruggable rug for the living room. So I think that maybe the one that used to be in the living room can look pretty good on this room. It's a little bit bigger. This one is 5 by 7. I think the one that I'm going to be putting is 8 by 10. So if you know Ruggable rugs, they are like washable rugs, stain resistant and so many things, and they have this pad that you need to put first, and then you can add like the rug cover on top. You can choose from so many designs. And in the last video I shared a discount code with I think a 10% off, so make sure that you check that. I'm also going to leave you the discount code in the description box of this video. On each of the tables. Now I need to put the bed ready. Everything is clean, so I'm just going to add some colors and plates to make it look like super cozy. And I'm also going to be adding a wreath on the ladder that I have here, probably a throw blanket, I'm not sure yet, but let's keep going. everything turned out, and I really hope that you like it. I'm so happy how everything looks. My whole house is like very neutral with wood tones and gold accents pieces, but this room is completely like traditional, with plates and red colors, and I just love this so much. It feels super cozy. I use this tree that cost me only $20, and I have it for like 5 or 6 years now, and it looks beautiful with a high-end look, and I just love it so much. I can't believe this is my room, and I'm so happy. I really hope that you can get some ideas and inspiration from this video, and if you do, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. Let me know in the comments which part of this room is your favorite, and of course make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos, and make sure that you check the description box for any link. I think I'm going to be posting a video like really soon, so stay tuned for that and make sure that you hit the bell. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy decorating with me, and see you in the next one.